Hey teacher, I'm David, and today what we're going to be doing is basically I'm going to be showing you what I did for my 3D vector representation. So, first of all, we have to understand that the dark wooden stick represents the x-axis and the light wooden stick represents the y-axis, and right now we're just watching it at a 2D perspective. So, when we add another stick right here, in here we are adding the third one and we are adding the z-axis. So, right now, as you can see, we have a 3D representation, and what I'm gonna do right now is put another stick, and this is gonna represent our different vector. And supposing that this vector is totally rigid, as you can see there, I'm forming an angle between the red stick and the white stick, an angle between the red stick and the dark wooden stick, and an angle between the red stick and the light wooden stick. So what I'm going to be doing right now is basically explain the right-hand rule, and we have to take into consideration that it may work in other topics such as magnetism, vectors, torque, between others, but right now we're going to focus on vectors. So it states that we have to point our index finger to whatever we want, but we have to consider it as a vector, so I'm going to call my finger vector A, and then my middle finger is going to become vector B. And as you can see, I already put my vector C, that is my right thumb, upwards, and as you can see, we're watching a perfect 3D vector representation. And this is what about the right hand rule. Thank you, teacher.